Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to unbox my new Wi-Fi with you guys. So I think it has been 4 months since I had Wi-Fi at my new place, because I moved from my previous place and I used to have Ivuma. So when I moved, I couldn't move with it, and then I remember applying for it, but they just couldn't install it where I stay, so I had to get an alternative. So I wasn't looking for something that will bind me. I was looking for something that it's not going to be a contract, and I actually bumped across a Rain 5G. So I'm just going to explain everything with you guys and then try to install it, but I'm at work, so I'm just gonna install it and plug it and see if it works, and then when I get home do the same thing. But yeah, without mumbling a lot, let's get into the video.
It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore.
Okay, so guys, I'll show you what it comes with and how it looks like. So this is the actual box that it came in. This is the actual box that it came in. And then when I open the box, there's this other box inside. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So there's this other box inside that's written Rain 5G. So this is the router. So this is the router. So on the box it's written welcome to Rain 5G, and it shows you where the SIM card has to go. So it shows you here where the SIM card has to go, and then it also shows you the power button, and then it also shows you the reset button. So it also explains, so probably there's a light here, so it says that this light shows your signal strength. Green is strong, yellow is moderate, and red is weak. So there's a light probably here when we switch it on that we'll see Uguti is the Wi-Fi strong or not. So it also shows that your password is at the back, and then it explains here, it says put me by a window for the best signal. So you have to put it by the window to get the best signal. So I'm going to show you guys the router. Okay, so this is the router here. This is the router. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, this is how it looks. It's also written Rain 5G, and then here's the power button, and here it shows 5G, and here it shows 4G, and here it shows the signal. I think that's where it shows the signal strength. So okay, before we plug it, we need to insert the SIM card. Okay, so let me put this away. Okay, also in the box there's another box. It says cable thingies. So these are the cables that you're gonna need to obviously connect everything. So this is a network cable. So this is a network cable. Okay, where do you plug this cable slot? Okay, these are the network cables. Okay. And also the cable, this is the power cable which you need to plug to switch on the router. So this is the power cable. Power cable. Okay, awesome. So it also comes with this small box which is written 1, and also here it's written 1 plan for your home and phones. So it's a rain 1. Okay, so when you open inside this packet, there's 3 SIM cards, right? So this is the rain 5G. So this one is for the router. So it says insert SIM into your rain router. This one is for the router. And there's also 2 SIM cards for phones or Wi-Fi. So I'm going to use 1 SIM card for my phone, and already I've put in another SIM card on my Wi-Fi, which is charging over here. So that's how I'm going to use it. So with these two SIM cards, they come with 2 gig each. So each SIM card has 2 gig, and then the router is uncapped Wi-Fi. So everything a month is 559. So I'm gonna insert the SIM card on the Wi-Fi. No, on the router. Sorry. So this is how the SIM card looks. Wow, this looks cute. Says welcome to rain. So it shows the SIM card. This is, I don't know. This is very cute for Wi-Fi. I know, right? But yeah, this is cute. I like their concept. Okay, let's open this up. I think. How do you open it? Oh yeah, this is how you open it. Okay, I think this is where you put your SIM card.
Africa. Nomination of Africa is right. Ila to the point. I'm just important.
I think I saw that. Abone musun installer. Okay, so I've inserted the SIM card. Now I just want to switch it on. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna need the first. Oopsie. Okay. Sorry for that. This phone is not stable. Here I'm gonna need the network cable first. So this is the LAN cable. So it's this cable, you use this cable to plug devices directly to the router. Let's say maybe you want to plug your computer directly to the router, so you're gonna plug this part here and then the other part behind your computer. I don't think I can use it for my laptop, so I don't think I really need this LAN cable, so I'm not gonna use it. So I'm just gonna plug the power cable and switch it on and see if it's working. So let's do that. Okay. So it has switched on. Or do I have to switch it on? Okay, it's on now. I need to focus on this. Okay, so it's on now. Let me try connect it to my laptop and see the signal strength. But now why is it orange over the screen again? So let me search it under my Wi-Fi's and then try to connect it. So here it is. So it's this one. It's 5G rain. So I connect and wants the password, and the password is at the back. So I put in the password. Okay. Okay, now it's verifying and connecting. Okay, it's connected. Where did it disappear to? Okay, it says connected, it says no internet. So let's give it a bit. Okay, now it's connected. See, it's connected, and here it's still showing a signal strength, still green. So we get into the internet and try to check my emails. Okay, let me open a new page. Search for something. So I'm just gonna go to YouTube, search. Okay, it's working. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it's gonna be helpful for anyone who's trying to find Wi-Fi. So I also received my email saying welcome to Rain. My Rain is now active. So yay, so happy, so excited. Finally, I'm gonna have Wi-Fi at home. It's gonna be easy for me to upload my YouTube videos. But anyway, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.
So my boyfriend also got me this UPS for my Wi-Fi so that whenever there's load shedding, I'll still be connected. So this was the greatest gift ever because I didn't even think about it. Actually, in my mind, I was like, oh, it's too expensive. But he didn't even tell me that he was going to get it from me. So when he got it from me, I was really surprised and I was actually excited and happy. But yeah, my man. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I know I ended the video a long time ago, but I had to tell you guys this. So yeah, please do enjoy the video and thank you for watching.